Can you clean my wall now and retouch it?
You have to wait for another video. Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. Welcome back to another episode of Doing Shit. Now, welcome to season 2. Now in season 2, we have a whole bunch of different projects on a ton of different skill levels that I'm gonna show you. But today we're gonna keep it simple, and I'm gonna show you how to put up a picture. well, not really a picture. It's a mirror, but I'm gonna show you how to put it up in an easy way to have it balanced when it has two different screws on both sides. A lot of people get that screwed up, no pun intended. So are you ready, baby?
Yes, I'm ready. Ready.
So let me show you the project that she got me doing. The mirror's right there, but that mirror, that picture came and we had to put that one there, and she wanted to move this one onto this wall. I think she's over these 3 flowers. Are you gonna repurpose them?
I don't know, maybe.
Well, one of them kind of broken, so.
Yeah, somebody dropped it and didn't say nothing, then just hung it back on my wall.
I don't know who that was. I don't know who that was. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. So let's go ahead and get the episode started. I'm gonna show you the ABCs of putting up a picture.
Did you just come up with that? The ABC?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
You like that? All right, so first I'm just gonna clear the wall real quick, and then I'm gonna get the mirror and I'm gonna put it up, and she's gonna tell me what level she wanted and all that. All right, baby, so let me know what you want.
Eye level. It's always eye level, baby.
It came in too low. She be wanting to see her whole body in the mirror.
No. Your eye level, not mine. Your eye level.
All right, so this very first step, you need a pen or pencil, something to mark the wall. You're not gonna be able to see it if you do it correctly. So I'm gonna put this up, and I'm going to do an outline on both of the top corners. All right, so just tell me where you want it to be.
Too high. That's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do first, just gonna get that corner and then the other corner. You know what? I messed up. go get me my my balancer. I need to balance it first. Oh no, it's balanced. Okay, I balanced it. It's good.
Okay, but your corners are off now.
It is. All right, so now that I used the balancer and balanced the mirror on the wall, and I did markers on both top corners, I'm going to do some measurements here on the back of the mirror, okay? So I measure both sides because sometimes they be a little off when it comes from the manufacturer. So you wanna lift up that because that's how it's gonna hang, and you just wanna put a little mark towards the top, just like that. And then the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my yardstick or your ruler or measuring tape, whatever you're using to measure. You want to measure that and see where it stops. So that's right at 11 1/8 of an inch. You gotta be precise now, because the smallest 1/8 of an inch is gonna have you goofy. 11 1/8 of an inch, okay. It's good for your manufacturer, they did a good job. Okay, so the last measurement, I just want to measure in from the sides. That's 3/4 of an inch there. This one is 7/8 of an inch. Just like I said, sometimes it's gonna be a little bit off, and I'm glad I did measure it, so now I can mark the correct measurements on the wall. All right, so I'm gonna work on the right side. The right side is 3/4 of an inch away from the side, and is, how long I said it was?
11 1/8.
11 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, that's correct. So I'm gonna go down. And I'm gonna use my balancer to make sure it's balanced up vertically. So you know you can do that, huh? So I'll put a little measurement there, and then from there, I I measure across 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so this should be my placement right there. All right, same thing on this side. Now this one goes in just a little bit more, 7/8 of an inch. Okay, that was the most important step in this particular process. So now that I have my placements, I'm gonna go ahead and put my drywall anchors into both sides, and then we'll screw them in. All right, so I have 2 studs right here. I didn't technically need the drywall anchors. They wouldn't go in anyway because of the studs. I just got 2 heavy duty screws and it worked out perfect. So now we're about to see if my measurements were correct. Also a quick note, when you do your measurements, you want to double check, triple check, because once you make those holes, there's little tricks you can do to adjust it if you're off, but you want to avoid anything outside of making more holes, okay? So let's see. All right, baby.
Yay, my mirror.
Is it there?
I can't see because your hand's there. Yeah.
All right, got one side up. Okay. Now the moment of truth. So now I'm about to take this to see if that little bubble right there goes between those lines. Perfect. Perfect. All right, just to show, once you measure and do everything precise and exact, you come out with great results just like that, all right? Appreciate you watching. Oh, you wanna get here, baby? Come here, come here. Appreciate you watching.
Can you clean my wall now and retouch it?
You have to wait for another video. All right, the mirror is up. Wife is happy. I guess I have to clean the wall and do the touch-ups and all that good stuff. For those that are new to doing shit, it's just a series of videos where I do stuff around the house just to let my significant other know, well, my wife know, I still know how to do shit.
With some instruction and direction from me. And
Welcome.
Google.
And YouTube. Welcome to season 2. I'm out.